Hey, it's your Captain Shahriar. Unlock your potential as a junior developer with these 5 essential soft skills. Let's make your journey a success. Effective communication is essential for junior developers. Write clean code and listen attentively. Remember to document your work. Communication fosters collaboration and asking questions shows a willingness to learn. Let's strive to communicate effectively and succeed together. The next skill is problem solving. Attention to all aspiring junior developers out there. The tech industry is ever changing and fast paced, but with a systematic approach, critical thinking skills, and the ability to debug, you can take on any challenge with ease. Cultivate a learning mindset, stay adaptable, and never stop growing. With hard work and determination, you can thrive as a junior developer and achieve your dreams. Now, let's talk about time management. To achieve success, you must prioritize your task by tackling high priority ones first. Accurately estimating task durations and contributing to projects planning is also important. Stay aware of project timelines and manage your workload effectively to meet deadlines. Self-organization is your ally. So set realistic goals and organize your work to maximize productivity. Remember, small steps lead to big achievements. Team collaboration is essential to success. Be a positive team player. Embrace feedback. Handle conflicts professionally. Share knowledge and practice empathy. Together, you can achieve greatness. Before going to the last skill, there is a good news for you. Are you looking for an HTML CSS freelancer? I offer affordable coding assistance, troubleshooting, and guidance to bring your projects to life. Contact me today to learn more. Be adaptable, embrace change, and develop resilience. Seek opportunities for growth and stay open-minded to new tools and technologies. Your versatility is your strength, so develop skills in multiple areas to contribute to different aspects of a project. Remember, setbacks are just opportunities in disguise. Keep pushing forward. Until we meet again, stay inspired and keep chasing your dreams. This is your Captain Shahriar signing off with positivity and peace.